Hey guys, this is my 1995 Honda XL250 Degree. I picked it up as a project. It's pretty rough. There's lots of scratches and scuffs all on the fairings and plastics and stuff. The frame's all rusty, but the plan is to clean it up and make it nice. Everything mechanically seems to be pretty good for the moment, but yeah, when I picked it up, there was a bag on the back, but I took that off, and the forks, the forks had been sort of twisted in the triple clamps, and anyway, straightened that out and the bike ride's all good, but it's actually been dropped on the right side of the bike and there's a bit of a dent in the tank, but you know, it's not too bad. Just a little bit of a dent up there, and there's more scratches on the right side of the bike, but all in all it's pretty good. I've had a little bit of a go at cleaning up the front plastics already. They've come up nice and white, but there's still a lot more to do on this, and there's just surface rust starting everywhere, but we'll clean that all up and make it good. First thing that we're going to do to the bike is we're just going to do a oil change on it. Got a new filter and have some 1040 oil to put in, so let's get on it. This is the first start since the oil change. Sweet. Alrighty, so with my decals on the plastics, because I'm going to be getting new ones, to remove them, they haven't really been wanting to come up too easily, so I've been lifting them up and I've been spraying some isopropanol alcohol on it to try and help pull off the adhesive as it comes along. Once I've got all the stickers off, I've been using some really super fine steel wool. It's grade 0000 super fine, and I've been using that with cream cut and polish to put with it, and it's been taking off the oxidization and the dirt layer, and it's been bringing it up nice and white. So I don't know if that'd work on all plastics, but it seems to be working on this bike, so that's good. Alrighty, so once you get that on and polished it in and wiped it off, there's still some yellow adhesive on there. I haven't been able to get it all off. I'm not entirely sure how I should proceed with that, but if I can't get it all off, it's not too much of an issue because the new decals will just stick back over the top of them. But we'll see what we can do. But as you can see, the white colour has really been restored back into the plastic. Yeah, so that's good. And then this black trim here, I'm not sure if the previous owner resprayed it black, but there's a few chips and scuffs on it, but overall it's not too bad. I'll probably give it a quick polish over just with a normal polishing rag, but yeah. Yeah, so I'll do that to the rest of my plastics and we'll check back in. Alrighty, so just a bit of an update on the plastics. The rear mudguard, it's all polished up and looking pretty good. The left hand side cover's all good, except I just could not get that yellow adhesive off yet, so we'll figure that one out. The left tank guard, I don't know what it's called, that one's come up pretty good. The front mudguard, it's all nice, except I've just pulled it off. I haven't got around to doing the back just yet. And then the right side guards, they're all still, I haven't touched them yet. But we'll get those polished up soon. This back cargo rack, or whatever it's called, I'll sand that down and paint it so it's all nice and white again. And then, yeah, the bike's looking pretty naked right now. Not much plastic on it, but this front headlight thing's pretty good, is almost as good as it's going to get. I've done one of the bark busters, but got the other one to do it. Still pretty dirty, but it should come up pretty nice. Alrighty guys, so all of the plastics have been cleaned up and put back on the bike. It's looking pretty schmick. Just have one bark buster left to clean, but yeah, it's looking really good. Got new decals coming. They're on their way over from America, so I don't know how long they'll take. This is the end of this video, but in the next one I might be doing fork seals. If the decals have come, I'll put those on, and I might be cleaning up the luggage rack. If I get around to ordering new bars or buying new bars from the bike shop, those could be going on. There's lots to do, and I'm not really sure which order or how I'm going to do it. I suppose it just depends on what parts come in time and stuff, but I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.